Alright, today we're going to do disassembly of a Cooey Model 84 12 gauge single shot shotgun. Now this one has the long 30-inch barrel, wood stock, and metal trigger guard. So it's the Model 84, not 8400, which uses the plastic trigger guard. Now this assembly is extremely simple. What you do is simply take off the forend by pulling it downwards. Pops off just like that. Then we open the gun as we would for loading. And these two halves just separate. Now what you can do is also take the bud pad off and remove the stock if you wish, and punch out a few pins and get rid of the trigger, firing pin, lever. There's no need to do that for basic clean. I've never actually done it, so I don't recommend you do it unless you know what you're doing. And that's it, very simple. To get it back together, just go in a reverse order. Take your barrel and wrap it on this hinge here in the frame. So you put it together. The hooks on, and we snap them together. We take our forend, line up this little here notch. It sticks out on a spring, and put it in the barrel notch like so. And snap it together. And test function, of course. It opens, doesn't fall apart. Closes, pull the trigger back, release it. That's it. Couldn't be any simpler.